Hey, I am Nick from English Moments. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm here to talk about the past perfect. To teach you what the past perfect is with some examples, how to form it, and how to make positive and negative sentences and questions, and teach you some tips to use this tense perfectly. So watch till the end to learn how to use this tense in your daily speaking and writing. Stay tuned and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. When there is more than one action in the past, we often use the past perfect for the action which happened first. When I turned on the TV, the match had started. Here we have two actions. First, the match had started before I turned on the TV. It means when I turned on the TV, the match had started before that. In this case, for the first action, which is starting the match, we use past perfect. When I got to my office, I realized that I had forgotten my phone at home. So again, here we have two actions. I got to my office, but before getting to the office, I forgot my phone. In this case, we use the past perfect for the first action, which is forgetting my phone. By the time I left Paris, I had visited many beautiful places such as Eiffel Tower and Notre Dame Cathedral. Here again we have two actions. I left Paris, but before leaving Paris, I had visited those beautiful places. In this case, we use past perfect for the first action. I had visited many beautiful places. For the negative sentences, we use not after had. For example, I hadn't seen out of the United States before my trip to Paris. For making questions, mostly we use question words plus had plus subject plus past participle. Which places had you visited before leaving Paris? To answer to a yes-no question in past perfect, we say yes I had or no I hadn't. To form this tense, we use subject plus had plus past participle. And there is no difference between the subjects. All subjects plus had plus past participle. In spoken English for past perfect, we often contract the subject and the auxiliary verb, which is had. Instead of had, we say did. For example, I had, I'd. You had, you'd. She had, she'd. He had, he'd. It had, it'd. We had, we'd. They had, they'd. I'd never seen out of the United States. They'd finished the cake before I got there. Tip number 1. If the order of the past events is clear from the context, we don't usually use the past perfect. Last night we had dinner, watched TV, and then went to bed. Tip number 2. We don't always use past perfect with after and before because the order of the events is clear. We finished eating before they arrived. I went home after the meeting finished. Tip number 3. We often use past perfect after realized, thought, forgot, and remembered. I realized I'd left my wallet at home. Tip number 4. We often use by the time, when, because, as soon as to make sentences with past perfect and past simple. By the time I left Paris, I had visited many beautiful places such as Eiffel Tower and Notre Dame Cathedral. The class had started when I got there. When I turned on the TV, the match had started. The party had finished by the time he arrived. We use the same adverbs and time phrases with the past perfect as we do with present perfect. I had just or already finished it. Thank you for watching.